wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Morning again, my peace, morning. Yeah, they can move again, you know. And there I go out there again. Yeah. But people come down at HQ and look. Let me see I go and I continue the same way. Yeah. The garbage there, people. Look, see there. We leave it open so that them can shelter underneath here. And that's how them do it. Well, those wash up overnight down there, so. But look on it, see there. See the guys, all of this. I seen it before yesterday. All of this, no matter how you clean up, you see there. See the guys, I saw them do it. Look in front of the HQ, see there. See how them do it there. And you leave them open so that they can shelter from wind and rain. And I saw them do the place again, see there. I really have to show you before me go up on it. Before me go up on the water. See there. See the guys, them, these, yeah, these just throw yourself, same way, see them there, see them there, see them there, yeah, see them, I saw it look with people, so, I want to stay tuned and me and Dara go out there, you know, yeah, go try to fish them again, yeah, this stuff will clean up later, man, early, but we get used to it, you know, them now go do no better, you know. We might have to come wheel and come again, find another way, either we fence it up or something, or pull it down or something, you know what camera do. Alright guys, so see the part how we set up and look, see them, see how the seed do it, yeah man, and those plastic bags you see there, every man will pick up those, because them wash them overnight, yeah, but I talk about the one that you see way up on the land, and the people then throw them there, very nasty, every man then come and eat and drink, and shelter from the sun. And then they throw the rubbish there. But anyhow, so it is life, guys. Out to sea, we say another wonderful day. Yeah. On Dream Island TV. I go out again. Yeah. I mean, Dada I go out there. Yeah, Dada already a long time away come. So guys, I'm gonna stay tuned, you know. Out there we say. Yeah. Yeah, leaving the land behind as usual. And heading out to sea. Don't know where we're going. Different moon from the last time we go out. But we expect to catch some fish today. Yeah. We expect to do better than the last couple of days. We don't know. We're actually seeing some swells here. Like we have the ocean wind outside. Yeah. It's that time of year when we might get a 3 or 4 days at 25 to 30 knots breeze. We are not certain if it's going to start on this moon. But see the sea is actually swelling here. So we know that the weather is out there totally different from last week and week before last week. Yeah, and we have one indicator way down there. See the shallow way down. I don't know if you can see that shallow down there. See it breaking there. Yeah. Anytime you stay on the land and you see that breaking down there like that, you know the weather is outside. It might not reach in the same day, but it starts to give that look from yesterday even. See it there? Yeah, those white things you see there breaking the water, breaking on a reef. Yeah, that one of our indicators that. Yeah. So guys, beautiful sunshine this morning. Yeah. Any rain I must way back in the night there. Yeah. At least for now. The afternoon can change anytime. So guys, it's a good look, you know. Yeah. Out to sea, you know, we saw going today. Yeah. So see you guys on the fishing ground as usual. Yeah. Where tactics and experience and blessing will have to come into play. Because as we said, the fishing is not like one time. You understand? So we work technically. Yeah, that is it. Yes, we peeps. again and again. Yeah, look how we catch any rainwater fish down here, so mullet and snook, brim, stone balls, any kind of fish. Tide kind of low, but we don't know if they can come out. Kasong liko sini, kasong liko pipe. Valencia way. Yeah. Yeah. Almost finished the couple net. Now the first part we catch a couple brim and thing. You soon see them when we done take up. Nothing to talk about yet. We only give thanks to them. Yeah, long time no come down to this place, guys. We expect we catch some mullet and brim and stone balls. Yeah, because of the rainwater. We might have a few of them by the coil of the net down there. Yeah, right round there. Yeah. Yeah, nice mullet here. Yeah. In there. Nice mullet. A lot of them are here, but they are very small. See another one here. These are the big ones. That's a bonefish, and I have a big fish down here shaking in it. Not big, a brim. Very strong. Yeah, we expect we catch a couple of them. Couple of the wild ones, them will run come right round here. To the coil of the net. I don't know if they are here. They don't come around here at all. You would feel them running around in the back of the net. That's a drumfish. Another bonefish. Down over there. Yeah. And that's how we kind of end up. We're going right round and round until we reach down there the carcass, the marker is. Another bonefish here. Very small. Go back in the water. So guys, not even one of the snookfish we don't catch. First blue crab for the day. They're not working down this side neither. So we're going around the last part of it now. Another bonefish. Some mullets are here guys, but they're very small. Another bonefish. One of the big bream that we spoke about here. And this side saying not going in and on it. So if you don't coil up in it, you can't catch him, you know. One little snook guys. Another bream. Hold on, go for this. Yeah man, fish. One fish are running around there, shaky. Don't know what kind. Another big bream there.
Yes people, as Dream Island boss say, we book a few bream fish. Yeah man, see them here? Yeah, that type bream. And some bony. On the next side we have most of them. So I'll pick them out and show how them stay. Yeah man, be a bream. Bream like nothing no good. Yeah man, then gone all the way down to the bottom. So just stay tuned, keep watching people. I'll get them out and show them the final for this set. So finally get them out people. The final catch for the first set. But as I say, I be a bream. Be a small bream. Just couple big one in there. But them still live, you know people. Yeah man, fresh fish. Yeah, we are go somewhere else again, another location. Go test them and see if we can do a little better. Just keep watching people. Yeah, so we are like the next one people, but we are going to leave that one if it's soak. The fish they not start work as it. So as I say, we don't love run up and down and burn out all our fuel. We just setting it, leave it for one, set in the water for a couple hours. Maybe an hour and a half. Yeah, make the fish them go and bungle up. So yeah, that is it people. Stay tuned, we are showing where we are beat you out.
We're leaving it right here. About 1.5 hours. And come back until the breeze come in very strong. Because that set out there, we call that set. That bunch of cloud way out there in the east. Yeah. That's in the east, southeast. It's gonna bring some breeze. And that is what we need for this type of fishing today. So guys, we're going over here. And for those who are new on the channel, we are in Galleon Harbour, the Old Harbour Bay area, parish of St. Catherine. Yeah, we are looking back down in the harbour there, looking at the power station down there on one of the port, backside port, down there known as Windalco. Yeah, Galleon Harbour guys, why I mention it? And over and over we talk about it. This is where Columbus sheltered with his 3 galleons. What they say the name, the Santa Maria, the Pinta, and the Nina or Nina. Yeah. And it's very important, it's very significant guys, because according to Columbus' story, he said that when he came here, he met some of the Tainos, some of the Indians who were living on Goat Island. And they were the most intelligent beings. Yeah, for his word's sake. Out of all the Indies that he has visited. Yeah. Of course, we suspect say last and buck up on the different islands them. But that's another story. Yeah, and he said that when he came here, the Indians did not run away like the rest. The chief or the Cacique came out in his canoe, in his dugout canoe, and met him out there in the harbor. They saw him coming. And not only meet him, he brought some of his crafts. Yeah, and hold them up, try to trade with Columbus. Yeah. And of course, according to Columbus, they were good friends. Yeah, we know see for the Indian them story or the Taino them story. And we know what the Spaniard do to the Indians. Yeah, we not ask. We sure say them beat them, ask them for gold and this and different artifacts and different things. We know them beat them in ask. Because them have gun and them all kind of thing, and they were more advanced in terms of ammunition. And rape off all the police woman them and thing. We suspect say that happened. But Columbus wouldn't talk that. But anyhow, we mentioned something good, and that's why Galiana Harbour is so significant. So we are in the vicinity of Little Goat Island here, see there? From all the way down there, come up here. And behind it is Big Goat Island. Yeah. And Tainos were living on boat. Right? Because we see the different type of pottery and thing like that on them. On both islands. Yeah. So here is very important. Yeah, a rich heritage and rich history. And the Little Goat Island there was an army base in World War II. Whether a naval base or army base, whatever you want to call it. But the US, it was a US naval base. Put it as that for now. And of course, I think it was Allied forces against the Japanese. So anyhow, you can check that out, guys. Yeah, so this place is very significant. And behind there you have the Elshire Hills. Yeah. Of course, you know, behind it you have the city of Kingston. Yeah. So this is Galiana Harbour. You're looking at a number of hills and mountains. Yeah. Straight over there you cannot see it, but now you're looking at the above rocks area of St. Catherine. And it's the last point in the Blue Mountain Range. Yeah. Because the Blue Mountain is right behind the Elshire Hills there, which is the highest point in Jamaica. Right? So we can see the above rocks area there. Coming straight down there, several other communities. And then the Cudjoe Hill, a little round hill over there. You might not be able to see it now. Very important because you know Cudjoe fought against the British also after the Spaniards ran away. Yes, there were some of the Maroons, them or whatever you want to call them. Yeah, we're looking at a lot of number of hills. Going back there, Kemp's Hill, Janaston Mountain, Bullet Mountain, you name them. All of them you can see them from out here. Yeah man, the Brazalita Mountain or Saldura Hills. Yeah, you know guys, so Galiana Harbour is a nice place to come. You can see all around Jamaica, especially on a clear day. Yeah. When the atmosphere is clear, where you don't have this whole of dust or the haze, it's wonderful. A beautiful spot for sightseeing for birds, for bird watchers, especially this time of the year. Next month you start to see some of the birds from North America coming down, a lot of them. And we know now that some of them are actually nesting here in Jamaica because we have the evidence. Yeah, some of those birds, when I say them exotic because they're not endemic to Jamaica. And we know them just by looking at the different type of flight and when they are passing. Yes. Yeah, and by Bigland next month you have a lot of ducks here, especially blue-winged teal. A lot of them will be in this area here. So guys, a rich area, you know. Yeah. And we have the marine sanctuary from this point here going straight across over there. And all that portion to your right going up there is a fish sanctuary. Yeah. It's a nice place, guys. So now stay tuned now, we'll cool out of one little corner here, so yeah, where we come every day, all the time, almost every day. Yeah. And those who are familiar with the channel will see. Yeah. So guys, you know, stay tuned, you know. Yeah, we're going right now the little corner, you know, you can see. And this corner here became famous because Father Fowl from Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV was diving here and we talk about it all the time. For those who are new, because most of you not going to go back on the old video then. But didn't have time for that, hardly. Yeah, Father Fowl was diving here shooting some snook and some mangrove snapper. And he came face to face with a crocodile lying down looking at him. And he had to reverse and beckon to the rest of divers them. And the boat captain, who was Cameron. Yeah. And him taking time and reverse and head into the boat. Yeah, right inside here. So we're cool out guys, so stay tuned when we go back out. When we go back out, we see what we catch on the net. Yeah, that is it. Yes guys, we there cool out here and we look at Cameron that are coming in. My son guess we have carry out a sea there. Yeah. And that are there cool out in the little corners, you know. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah man. See the foot there guys. Yeah. Put them well cock up on the boat. Yeah. And we see the face, huh? Yes, we here so. Yeah. They are cool out there, light up. And it all my trash and my head. Yeah. So we there guys, the camera never come. The camera never come. Yeah. Yes guys, so I'm blessed subscriber there. Yeah man, blessed.
I'm gonna sing this long while.
Yeah man, I'm gonna sing today.
Yeah, you go now. Take that we want to catch already.
Mal go that. Now we'll go and set weird on that. Yes, guys, the camera and we'll go and set after some mullet. Guys and thing. God bless our catch pan it. Yeah. 3 mullet. Yeah. 3 mullet and about 8 pounds of fish guys. Catch pan it. See them there? One in the big animal still. Yeah.
The best eating fish like me.
Yeah man. Yeah. Some white mullet there guys. Yeah, so we there.
Nice mullet them.
They are cool out. Yeah.
So I start to I go look.
Yeah man, then cock out and now carry tide low. Yeah man. Hold up ice there man, carry tide low. You can see them now easy. Yes guys, so we there are cool out, you know.
No, come on.
Camera and the guests then come in and check. Yeah. Yeah man, we just tell the people on this man. Yeah man, and he must reverse. He must catch a reverse man.
All I view of them is know what.
Yeah man.
Nothing but this Oscar.
On the hear that guys, yeah.
Yeah man, fall a car man, I see my back out of there so.
On the hear guys.
All his spear gun.
Yeah man, a reverse guys. Yeah, that's the hear story same way guys, the great fall, yeah.
Yeah man.
That is it. Yeah man, so we just tell them all ago. So this place has become famous now. As a Jamaica Hidden Beauty TV, yeah.
All Hidden Beauty in here so.
Yeah. So yes guys, we there, you know, so stay tuned same way, you know. Yeah.
That's a fall used to be a tanner man.
That is it man, yeah.
First time go see it.
Yeah, so Cameron and the subscriber then gone again guys. They on the move, you know. Yeah. Man are spending birthday out to sea, you know, the peace and quietness. They go up on the island, go cook and something a little more for now. But they view the place and show them line and thing. So guys, on the stay tuned now, because we'll meet them on the island too. Bless up. Yeah, until we go back out of the net. The wind that we expect to come out, not going to come out again. It's actually north wind now coming from straight on the land over there. That is not good. But we're out here already guys, so we are over and try same way. Yeah, different type of weather than what we expect. But that's how it goes. So stay tuned, we're going to beat out now and take up. And rock out and take up. Here we go again guys. What this now? wanna come home soon. Don't hear anything from them yet. Yeah, we start the movements again, the people. Don't hear a sound from them. Yeah, nice blue crab make the first move. The fish don't plan to work with us today, look like. Don't see anything yet. Not even Maka forward. This little corner here, so now always tell us something. And him kept silent. Don't like that at all. One Macabak him argue with. Yeah. Start the argument with one Maca forward. And one drumfish. I must get anything more on it at all. But guys, in the stay tuned, you know. I had a little Maca forward there. Anything can happen same way. Another Maca back.
Yeah, it's work set this guys. Just barely balance out. Catch a nice, so nice snap up on the last end. And a few shadfish. Yeah, and a few healthy crabs as well. Some big blue crabs. So yeah, we'll get them out. Not right now much we're going today, but we still a try. Yeah man, not the way that we wanted. Yeah, so just stay tuned everybody. We'll try somewhere else again and see what can go on. Look at people. We just turn around and see bad current come meet the seawater. What is it? Rainwater?
Yeah,
from type on them. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but look at that streak. You can see where they meet. Yeah man, the pond water meet with the seawater. That's not a good sign. Yeah, see the border there. Yeah man, that come from way inside up in that direction. Yeah. So look at it now, this is the border. You can see where the water is fuzzy.
Yeah, we're at the sign to there, but we're there already.
Yeah.
So you go. That is it, you know.
That is it, people. Well, let's go to the next one now, people. But after we let it go, we are going to go on the key. The island go roast two fish. Yeah man, boat island. As soon as we finish put it overboard, we will leave it for soak again. And then we go roast two fish. So just stay tuned, people, and see what goes on. Yeah people, so we leave the net out there. That's where we're coming from, in that direction. Yeah, look on the breeze. See the next bowl in there. Camera on the key already. So we are go over there, go roast the two fish them. I don't know if you can see both. Yeah man, we're heading straight over there. Sky have like a overcast. Maybe we get some rain, but we'll see. Yeah man, straight over there going. So Cameron have some guests. Yeah, him have some guests over there right now. Probably eating and hiking. So we're going to see where them are going with.
Line up two fish roast now, you know. Yeah, we draw we pan and everything. We have salt and we have cucumber and everything. We don't have no pit, we don't have no only thing shark guy lime. We have salt there. Some fishermen normally use the salt water. Yeah, so we're going to light up the fire now and put on the roast. Yeah, that guys are the zinc that. That's what we might do. Yeah? That ain't came up with the gas.
Yes, eat it. Knife.
Yeah.
Knife there.
For your fire.
Yeah, fill the crab.
Where's that?
I'm having the throw line and catch crab.
You catch one there. Yeah, one there.
You're not eating.
Oh, no crab. Oh. Where much is it? That's yeah. We got how much is it? Fire time now. See that? No, the right side me the pan. Stay up the breeze. Yeah, that is it. Yeah. I eat that guy, so the roasting zinc can go on anytime now. Yeah. One light. And the fire good to go. Yeah. Yeah. Put on brother iron now, roasting iron on the fire. Yeah. I am that. Don't want too much nothing in the fire. So we can back him up here so. Fire stick then very dry. So we don't need a whole heap of breeze. Put them in now guys. We don't let the fire blow out fast. Yeah, that is it. Yes guys, yeah. On the blade, you know. On the blade, sharp meat pan stone. Like the arrow them, the caveman them. Yeah, wash me on meanwhile. Them they wash already. Give them a little slide. Turn over again. One pot, one plate, one basin, everything. Everything that now one guys. So peel brother onion you know. Yeah. Yeah. Mama even saying no peel onion, strip onion. Yeah. So yes guys, I'm going here so now. Quick and fast and simple. Yeah. Cut them up like that. Yeah. Beef gone astray. So it go. Cut up with that tomato and you can squeeze out some of the seed if you don't load the sourness. But you don't have to squeeze out it because it like up in night good for you them say. The scientists them say that. Yeah. So you know squeeze out too much of the seed. Or the kernel part of it. Time for the cucumber cut up now guys. You know. You can just put them here so. Same way you can the crab them can eat them. Yeah. Quick and fast. So the cucumber them a suck out like them go war. Them a dehydrate. A 3 days now them buy. See them there guys. Yeah. They're still good. Yeah. And you cut them up fast like that. Any size you want, any thickness you want, any thickness will suit you. So we are making the famous dip. Yeah. Queen Sheba dip we call it. Yeah. Yeah. There long before Queen Sheba born, but she take it to another level. Yeah. So when you want to see Queen Sheba dip, them gonna go on Cameron Family TV and Queen Sheba TV and you see real roast and dip. This one real too, you know, but yeah, real and realer and the realest. So when you go over there guys, Cameron Family TV and Queen Sheba TV, you want to see the real roast and dip. Yeah. So see there guys, when you're up on the bush cooking, that's how you do it. Quick and fast. And see the guys saying cucumber, the kernel them in the cucumber because we don't deal with the seed. The kernel them inside of the cucumber, some of them too yellow. So you know the cucumber almost overfit on the tree. Yeah. No one no more pepper on that now guys. Yeah. I eat that guys. So that's it. That's the code. So we're going to put in some salt now. Only lime we leave now guys. Oops. That is it. I'm going to throw the additional water on it. So the dip ready now, you know, guys. We're going to put on the fish them on the fire. The fire over hot already. Yeah. Fire over hot, so we put on the fish them and the fire. Yeah. One sea crab this so. One this so. Another fish this so. Yeah, them boys are swim around. don't know where the swim go. Yeah. Yeah, fire can't burn down now. Yeah, fire too heavy now, guys. You see that? I feel it in here now. Yeah, we turn on the stove now. Camera not turn on the stove there, yeah. That is it. So that's how we do it. Yeah. In there. Yeah. Now we find some water. No water there. Yes guys, like that. This is the salt. Put up the salt with some other fishermen who come past. Time for them first turn. But don't watch the blackness you see there. Those are the scales. And Cameron telling you over and over, I'm telling you again. The scales and the fish protect the meat of the fish. You don't want the meat to burn up. So guys, we're well on the way now. About 3 more minutes and the fish them ready. Yeah, so quick and fast. Yeah, we max up a meal and the key, roast and dip. So no stay tuned. So when the belly full, we take 5 minutes after and then go back and take up the net. Yeah, so no stay tuned guys. Yeah. And that time to work on them. Now we see what I go on. Yes guys, don't watch the smoke, they're ready now to come off. The crab them are going to leave from there. Yeah. So you come over here like that on the table. Yeah, man. Is it? Yeah, we'll take them off now. Yeah.
Yeah, put them here.
And guys, we have 2 types of food we decide on. These are the cream crackers. Yeah, these are the cream crackers. And these are the water crackers. This one tougher than this. Yeah, and have different texture, different flavor. But this one guys just some dry dumpling now, I can't tell you that. So anyone who see this Excelsior water crackers, anyone who then I world and see it, it's coming like a dumpling. You can just cook it on the fire within 2 minutes and eat it like dumpling with any kind of meat or so. Right? So one of them I tough crackers I go eat with the roast and dip fish them. Yeah. So just stay tuned. See them there? Yeah. So we're there guys, table unlimited. So, you know. First thing guys, yeah. Knife. The pepper. Knife. Pepper too high.
You know what to do? Fuck, yeah, it's that.
So yes guys. Come there. See the way we do it now guys. I know you have got these fairly fish, see me? You might like that. Like that. Head now, sure enough. Yeah, like that. And you dip him. Yeah. So see me now guys. Yeah. You're going to do this. Yeah. Because the meat like that. Guys, so fresh. So nice. You guys. Yeah. Pure meat. I'm going to do all of them like that. Guys, see them? Same way. Stick them out. And strip out the burn part with the scale. So it's scale and skin you're taking off guys. See there? Very hot. Don't try that at home. Yeah? Like that guys. Yeah? The bone can go there so for the crabs. So guys, it's a wonderful dish, you know. Anytime you reach us, ask for the roast and dip fish. Yeah. And the fish don't get any fresher than this. Because we just caught them a while ago. Yes guys, so I eat that, you know. So best upon yourself. Guys.
Yes people, Cameron the Mighty Oysters.
Sometimes you're hard to find a little spot, you know, see it there?
Yeah.
I hit that. So little spot that. So you have to take out that green something, you know,
That are interesting.
piece of plant.
Yeah.
Okay. Growing ice cream. So you have to take off that and dash it. That is it, man. How much and a half ago? Hold on for me. That is it. Yeah, guys.
Delicious.
Alright. Yeah, man. Oysters, people. Natural aphrodisiac. That is it.
Yeah. So yes, guys, sea crab time, you know. Yeah. We just break him in two. Yeah. See in there? Yeah. Well soaked, guys, huh? Yeah. Two little sabon left. Try the crab, nice. Roast and dip blue crab, very nice. So guys, you can check it out too. Now a piece of crab. Guys, because of the crab and the fish, I forgot the biscuit, you know. My. I forgot my crackers. I'm gonna go back on the crackers again. One little dip. Yeah. Dash him out. Yes, guys, belly almost full already. 1.5 fish. But stay tuned, look on the zinc. Yeah, we are go down the night same way, guys. So it's a wonderful day same way, we're catching the fish yet. But see on the water, we'll go back out there. Because this fresh weather change the weather, we don't must catch anything. But that's how life go. You have a meal out of we catch already. Greatest thing. Give thanks and praise to the Father. So catching you guys out on the water again. Yeah. So yes, guys, I tap it down now with the good old boom. See there? That nice energy drink, guys. Yeah. Belly are full up, some of them left space for the boom. Now drink the boom first. I drink more than half of it first before we finish that fish there. Yeah. I eat that. Well, yes, people, we are rocking him out now. Don't know what is underneath there. The breeze that come from straight in front of us there. Wrong breeze for this type of fishing this hours. Get a beating today. But every day we come and we catch some whole master God fish them. If the Father said nothing today, it will work with. That's how it go. Can't do nothing about that. Yes, people, we'll try him again. Same old, same old. Kind of rough, but we're there already. The same thing anywhere we go, guys. At the third set this. One macabac as usual. Yeah. This don't look good none at all, guys. In fact, it look very bad. Another macabac that. Stay tuned, you know.
Yes, my peeps. Go up on the key, go pull the belly and come back and nothing. So the third set we left so long for soak. But at least we hit a full jar ourselves. So this is what we call. This is a lovely macabag still, but that alone can't help we get a nice snapper. But we needed more fish, guys, so I don't know what we are going to do now. I'll probably put one more overboard and see if we can catch something. Yeah, today is not a good day, but at least we're going to eat some food and enjoy ourselves. So we're on 3 Mile and Bass. I'll go back to test them.
You will need 2 of them. Yeah. That's a satisfaction today. I eat that.
Yes, people. Catch up on the next one. People already give up enough, but we still have to go on the next one. I'll try another one next piece of water. Different location. I suppose the last one this video. Yeah, so just stay tuned everybody. The last straw there's a broken camel back, so we fit it. Yeah man, last one. We have one more chance to catch something.
One more trial again. And then we're going home. Fresh weather. Tomorrow better fishing day. Never expect this change of weather at all. And looks like we can catch 2 hardhead in here, so 2 shad, 2 snapper, 2 brim, 2 mackerback.
People, this is our going for last set. Yeah, we just finished take it up. Yeah, mostly snappers we catch pan here, but not much. Yeah man, so we're heading home now. I get out the last few out of the net. Yeah, we did pick off these already. Yeah man, just a few. Can't buy back with gas still. At least we can pay back for the expense. It could have been worse. Yeah, we are head home now, people. Straight to land. Yeah man, so catch up on the land, everybody. Yeah, that is it. We'll show you the final.
Yes guys, see a couple of catch this evening. Yeah. We have to give thanks same way, you know. Yeah. And we sell some. Yeah. We had a little market and go to Thailand. So yes guys, bless up on yourself, you know, until next time, you know. I say again, our belly full and expense clear. So don't forget to tell somebody about Dream Island TV. Until then, big up everybody.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.